Today I'm dyeing my pants with Achiote and Turmeric. Achiote is a tropical fruit native to Mexico, Central America, and South America, and we have it in abundance here in Costa Rica. Here we are with all of our Achiote fruits here. Throughout history, it's been used as a dye, as a war paint, sun protection, and even in cosmetics. So now we're going to use this to dye my pants. This is dried and ground turmeric from the farm here. I'm going to be using it in addition to my Achiote to make a more warm orange color. And although turmeric doesn't need a mordant, the Achiote needs the banana vinegar as an acid to make the color set. Here's the turmeric boiled in water and the Achiote and just a little bit of water to help spread it around. So lime can be used as a mordant, but also to brighten the color. So now I'm going to add some turmeric. You can see the Achiote made it nice red, but I want a little more orange. I just used the leftover turmeric in boiling water to dye another skirt I have. It's such a vibrant yellow. So I'm going to go hang these up in the shade because the sun can actually pull the color out. Now we wait.